Hello students. So in the previous class, we had done basics of matrices. That is a type of matrices, how to add scalar multiplication, how to take a difference of two matrices. So today we are going to learn how to do this matrix multiplication. So let me explain you through examples. So you can write down these two matrices of order 2 plus 2. Suppose A is given as 1, 2, 0, 1 and B is given as 1, 2, 3, 1. Now, we want to find matrix multiplication, that is, we want to find A into B. So, when you want to find this A into B, you will just write down the value of A and you will just write down the value of B. So, here we had written A as well as B. Now, we want to multiply them. Now, the point is how to multiply these. So, here you will go horizontally and here you will proceed vertically. So, what I am saying, from the first one you will proceed horizontally और इसका हमें vertically चलना है. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. This is how you will write the first entry. Let me explain this once again. Here you will go horizontally and here you have to move vertically. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Correspondingly हमें multiply करना होता है. पहले को पहले से into करना है, second वाले को second से into करना है. Right? Now you will keep this as it is and you will move to the next one. इसको fix रखेंगे और इस वाले पे move करेंगे और यहाँ पर entry को fill करना है. So that will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Now, after that, you will move to this one. So again, you will operate with this, and with this, again, you will operate this one. So now, uh, here we have to fit this entry. So 0 into 1 plus 0 into 1 plus 1 into 3. Next will be, fix this as it is, move to this one. So it will be 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Right? So how we are doing it? Let me explain this once again. Here we had written these two matrices. A is given and B is given to us. Now how to multiply these two matrices? So we have written A, we have written B. Now for the first one you will move horizontally and for the second you will move vertically. So horizontal and this is vertical. So 1 into 1 over here plus 2 into 3. That is what we have written. Now keep this as it is and move to the next one. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. We had written this entry. After that, move to this second row and operate with this. So 0 into 1, then 1 into 3. After that, fix this and move to the next one. So 0 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now after that, you will just do simple calculation and you can write the final answer. So after calculations, your answer will be 7, 4, 3, 1. So this is what you will get as the final answer. Now similarly, we can find B into A also. So let us find out that. So B into A now. So when you are finding B into A, then first you will write B and then you will write A. So B means 1, 2, B1, 1, 2, 0, 1. So now let us apply the procedure for this. So here we have to move horizontally and in this we have to move vertically. Now let us fill the first entry. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 0. Right? So now keep this as it is and you will move to the next one. So when you move to the next one, it will be 1 into 2 plus 2 into 1. Right? This is how we can write. Now after that, you will move to this one. So operate with this and then operate with this. Fill the entries over here. So when you do it, it will be 3 into 1. This is 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Next will be 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1. So after that, you can do normal calculation and you can write the final answer. So this one operated with this, then this one operated with this. That is how we had written. Now this one operated with this one operated with this one. So 3 into 1 plus 1 into 0. Then 3 into 2 plus 1 into 1. Now just calculate and write down the final answer. When you do calculation, your answer will be 1, 4, 3, 7. Right? So this is how we can find out A into B and B into A. Now you can observe one important thing that AB is not same as BA, right? So AB is not same as BA. So here we can conclude one important property that matrix multiplication is not commutative. So we can write this. Here AB is not equal to BA. Therefore, matrix multiplication is not commutative. So matrix multiplication is not commutative. As you know that product of real numbers, that is commutative, because whether you do A into B or B into A, for numbers, it is commutative. But for matrices, it is not commutative. Commutative means A into B is equal to B into A. But in matrices, from this example, we can observe that AB is not equal to BA. So we can conclude that matrix multiplication is not commutative. Now, after this, you can write down one important condition, that is condition for multiplication. So when you can perform this multiplication of two matrices. So now this is an important condition for multiplication of two matrices. So this is a very important topic, condition for multiplication of two matrices. Now suppose a matrix A is given whose order is n cross p. Another matrix B is given whose order is q cross n. Now these are the two matrices which are given to us, A, B. Now suppose your resultant is coming out to be C. Now first of all, this matrix multiplication is well defined only in the case P should be equal to Q. So first thing important is your P should be equal to Q, right? And the order of the resultant will be n cross n. This will be the order of the resultant. So let me explain you this once again. A is n cross B, its order is n cross P, B's order is Q cross n. Now what we are saying, matrix multiplication is well defined only in the case when this P should be equal to Q. So that means number of columns of the first matrix should be equal to the number of rows of the second matrix, then only we can perform matrix multiplication. Now this P and Q will be eliminated and your output will be of the form n cross m, right? So this is condition for multiplication. Now previous example which I had given you, there everything was of the order 2 cross 2. So there we are not bothering about this condition, but in general you have to see for this condition. Now let me give you example. Suppose A is given as 1, 2, 3, 4. That is its order is 2 cross 2. And suppose B is written as, you can see that its order is 2 cross 3. 2 rows, 3 columns, right? Now here we want to find A cross B and we will also try to find B into A. So let's see what we can find. So A into B. So A into B means 1, 2, 3, 4 multiplied with 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3. Okay, now first of all, you can see this important thing that this is 2 cross 2. This is 2 cross 3. So this 2 is same as this 2. This 2 and this 2 are same. So that means we can perform multiplication of two matrices because it is satisfying this required condition for multiplication. Now let us do the multiplication. So for multiplication, you will proceed by the same method, horizontal, and here you will move vertically. So when you feed the entries, they will be of the form. Now answer will be of the form 2 cross 3. It is quite visible because this is 2 and this is 3. So let us multiply them. So this into this. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. So 1 into 1. Now directly I can write this. 1 into 1, 2 into 2. So 1 plus 4. Next will be this into this one. Next one. So your output will be 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. So that will be 1 plus 2 because this multiplied with this one. So 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. Next, this one operated with the third one. So when you operate with the third, it will be 1 plus 2 into 3, that is 6. Now similarly, next you will move to this one. So operate with this, then operate with this, then operate with this and write down the entries over here. So the first one will be t plus 8. Next will be t plus 4. Next will be t plus 12. Now after this, you can just do calculation and you can write down the final answer. So finally, you will get this as 5, 3, 7, 11, 7, 15. And its order is 2 cross 3. So this is how we can perform multiplication of two matrices. Let me explain this once again. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 2. That is what I had written. So answer is 5. Then this operated with this. 1 into 1 plus 2 into 1. That is 2. Then 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. That is written over here. Then 3 into 1, that is 3 plus 8. And so on. So after calculation, you will get the answer as this much. Now, if I ask you B into A, the first question arises, can we perform this? So let us see that. Now, order of this is 2 cross 3 and order of A is 2 cross 2. Now, you can see one thing that these two are not same. These two are not same. So here condition for multiplication is not applicable. So that means it is not well defined. You will write it is not defined. So in this example, we can perform A into B, but we cannot perform B into A because it is not satisfying the condition for multiplication. Just write down this example. Okay, now let me write down one question for you. Here A is given as this. Now you can see that order of A is 1 cross 3. B is given as this, so its order is 3 cross 1. Now my question is find AB and BA. So just try to find A into B and then find B into A also. Just try this question yourself. Okay, now always write the orders of the matrices. So here you can see that A's order is 1 cross 3 and its order is 3 cross 1. 3 and 3 clashes. So our resultant will be of the order 1 cross 1. That is what I had written. Now just do ordinary multiplication. So horizontal and here vertical. So answer will be 1 into 2, that is 2, plus 2 into 0, 0, 3 into 3, that is 9. So after calculations, your answer will be 11. So this is how we can find A into B. Now similarly, we want to find B into A. So first you will write this B and then you will write A. So B is given as 2, 0, 3. A is given as 1, 2, 3. Now here, if you write the orders, then its order is 3 cross 1, its order is 1 cross 3. Now here you can observe that we can perform multiplication. Why we can perform? Because these two symbols are same. So we can perform multiplication here. Now how to perform that? Your resultant will be of the order 3 cross 3. Why? Because this is giving us the clue. 3 cross 3 will be the resultant. So now let us perform. So horizontal and here vertical. So this into this, that is 2. Next, move to this one, 4. Next, move to this one, that is 6. Then 0 into this, 0. 0 into this is 0. 0 into this, 3 is 0. Then 3 into 1, 3. 3 into 2, 6. 3 into 3, 9. So this is how you can perform A into B and B into A.